SM Mehta sir. And now moving forward to our next talk, which will be going to present by Professor Vidya Jain ma'am, former Principal University Maharani College and former Director Center for Gandhian Studies University of Rajasthan Jaipur. So without taking much of time, I would like to invite Professor Vidya Jain ma'am on the dais for delivering his thought. Please welcome Professor Vidya Jain ma'am.
Thank you, young ladies. Namaskar and greetings to the Japanese friends. Ohayo gozaimasu. I had privilege to be at Japan for several times, to Mi University, Sioux City, and to the Ritsumeikan University, Kyoto. And I was really amazed and impressed by the Japanese people, Japanese society, They know how to make a balance between technology and culture. They are so culturally intact. They have strong family values. They have a joint family system which is now, disappearing in India. They are so punctual. They would be apologetic, if they are late by 5 minutes, which we are ahead of, we are almost late by 1 hour or more than that. So we have to learn a lot from our friends from Japan. Friends, I don't know whether it's relevant or not, but I'm so happy that Sanjay Biyani ji permitted me to bring Gandhi into the whole discourse of this stress management and innovation. I'm not using technology because we have begun a movement on the 2nd of October from Rajghat, which says disconnect to connect. We are too much technologically dependent, and there are movements in the world. There is a movement from Hague which says slow city concept. They say that we should, let us be slow. Let us pace down our speed. We are running after materialism. We are running after consumerism. There is a need to slow down, to think, to stop, to introspect, to connect with people. We have lost this connect. I'm really happy that I'm connecting with these young students sitting here. I'm really here to talk to you. You are the future of India. 21st century belongs to India. It belongs to Asia. It belongs to Japan and India. People think that India can give leadership. People think that India has solutions to the problems from which the world is fighting, suffering, into pain and agony. The problems of violence, the problems of environmental degradation. Violence is the biggest problem which has brought Gandhi into center stage, And if I say innovation, which is the broad theme of your conference, the biggest innovation is the non-violent technique of satyagraha, which Gandhi has given. There are several movements going on throughout the world, in Thailand, in Philippines, in Indonesia, throughout the world, which are run on satyagraha technique, on non-violent technique, and which are very, 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 very victorious, powerful, strong, and has make a mark. So, when I say Gandhi is important, when I introspect, when I think about myself, I think I'll be beginning by saying, first of all, today's world is too much individualistic. I only think of myself. When you think of yourself, the stress begins. What are you? You are not everything. Gandhi's one-liner, which is very near to my heart, Gandhi says, you are, therefore I am. I belong to a totality. I belong to some whole thing. Gandhi gives the theory of oceanic circle. I am a drop in the ocean. The drop is important only until unless this ocean is, is preserved. So don't think that you are everything. Don't think that you are above and beyond things, So the first thought of Gandhi is the thought of this harmony. When you start thinking that you are not individual being, you are interbeing, you are world being, sky is the father, earth is the mother, you are children of one God, then things slow down. We take too much of stress, too much of load on ourselves, as if I am everything, you know. I am the richest person, I am the most knowledgeable person, I am the most beautiful women. Women think like that because market is teaching them about this beauty concept and everything. So there is a lot, because women has extra burden on her. I talk to women, they have extra burden, the personal, the professional, and this burden of keeping well, looking beautiful. So what I want to say, the first thing which I want to emphasize, that please think in the totality. I am, therefore you are, and you are, therefore I am. This is the peaceful coexistence. We peacefully coexist. और ये जो पीसफुल कोएग्जिस्टेंस है, ये इंसानों में नहीं है. पशु, पंछी, नदी, झील, तालाब, पहाड़ सब एक दूसरे पर अंतर्निर्भर है. कृपया इतना अभिमान, इतना अहंकार ना करें कि आप ही सब कुछ हैं. और जब यहाँ से समझ शुरू होगी, तब आपको समझ आएगा कि आप एक राष्ट्र के निवासी हो, आप एक परिस्थिति के निवासी हो, आप पर बहुत और भार है दुनिया को समझने और समझाने का. तब आपका जो इंडिविजुअल स्ट्रेस है, क्योंकि उस एक सेल्फिशनेस से स्ट्रेस बढ़ता है, मुझे लगता है पहली बात जो बहुत बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है. सो प्लीज़ कनेक्ट टू पीपल, प्लीज़ थिंक दैट यू बिलोंग टू अ कम्युनिटी, यू हैव अ फैमिली, you have friends, you don't give time to your family. I have seen people sitting in one bedroom, husband and wife, chatting on Facebook, you know, to a stranger and complaining about each other. But they are not ready to talk to each other. They are not ready to establish a dialogue among themselves. I mean, I can be having 5,000 friends on Facebook, but I don't have a physical friend whom I can visit in the evening and sit with her and cry. Do you cry? I cry. Because crying is important, laughing is important, talking is important, saying is important, listening is important. We don't say anything. We don't listen anything. Mothers do not have time to listen to their children because everybody from the very morning, they are busy on their mobiles looking at the messages which are hopeless, which are useless, you know. So there are moments, as I said, we said let us say no to technology. No mobiles, no laptops for 2 days on Saturdays, Sundays. Let us go back to nature. Let us voluntary poverty. There is a movement of voluntary poverty. I am rich, but I choose to live like a poor. I have a Mercedes car, but I will ride a cycle on 2 days. I'll go on cycle, smile with my friends, sit with them, do fishing, go on, you know, backyard, go to the villages, and let us see that how life changes. ये जीवन बहुत खूबसूरत है, बहुत खुशनुमा है, बहुत सौंदर्य से भरा है, बहुत खुशबू से भरा है. सवाल ये कि हमें उस पर्सपेक्टिव को बदलना है. तो महत्वपूर्ण बात जो गांधी ने कहा कि वी शुड राइज अबव आवर इंडिविजुअलिटी, आवर फेमिनिटी, आवर मैस्कुलिनिटी, आवर सेक्सुअलिटी एंड वर्क एज फ्रेंड्स एंड कॉमरेड्स एंड कलीग्स फॉर द वाइडर इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द सोसाइटी. जब राष्ट्रीय आंदोलन चल रहा था तब इंडिविजुअल इम्पॉर्टेंट नहीं था, इस राष्ट्र इम्पॉर्टेंट था. तो जब आप अपने को बिलोंग करेंगे, क्योंकि हमने सेंस ऑफ बिलोंगिंग खो दी है. आप कितनी देर अपने अभिभावकों के पास बैठते हैं, माता पिता से बात करते हैं, सुबह उठ के मोबाइल को कभी उनके चरणों को छू के देखिए, मोबाइल के को छूने से आपको कितना आनंद आएगा. देयर आर पीपल हु बिलीव इन दिस जॉय ऑफ गिविंग, बांटने का सुख, देने का सुख हमने सब खो दिया है. There are traditions of philanthropy in this world. So first of all, think that you are very important. Yes, you are as important as a drop in the ocean. They are less stressful than you. They are more cleaner than you. They are more hygienic than you. So if you educate yourself, you are uncivilized. You start fighting. You are so aggressive. You become so, I mean, look, we can be agitated at any point of time. स्कूल बैग्स में स्टूडेंट्स पिस्तौल कैरी करते हैं because we have become so agitated, we are so hopeless that we are not ready to listen to each other. So the violence is the ugliest, you know, culmination of this stress, जहाँ कोई किसी की, और अगर हम बैठकर बात करें, डायलॉग करें, तो स्ट्रेस बहुत अपने आप कम हो जाएगा. तो पहली बात तो ये है. दूसरी बात जो गांधी की बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है, जो फिर सारे स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट को और ख़ास तौर से लड़कियों को इस बात को समझना और सीखना बहुत ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज 21st सेंचुरी इज़ देयर सेंचुरी. 21st century has given a lot of opportunity to these young women. When I was young, when I was a student, there were not so many of opportunities, you know. But when there are opportunities, there are challenges. So it is a challenging time. You should equip yourself psychologically, emotionally, physically, which you are. I mean, God has given us birth with extra smartness. Women is smarter than men. Please, men, pardon me, but it is true that women is extra smart, extra beautiful. I would say that. उसमें सामर्थ्य, शक्ति, सौंदर्य, सहनशीलता बहुत है, अधिक है. So women, at this point of time, at this juncture, women should understand that this time has really unfolded lot of opportunities for her, but the whole question of women's dignity, women's security, the women's security question, पिछले 3-4 डिकेड में जो महिला के प्रति हिंसा और अत्याचार बढ़ा है, ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है. इसको समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है. और इसकी वजह मुझे लगता है ग्लोबलाइजेशन है, विच इज़ सच एन बॉडी सेंट्रिक phenomenon which reduces women into a body as if women is only a body. स्त्री सिर्फ देह नहीं है, वो मन, मस्तिष्क, मेधा, प्रतिभा, सम्मान, सब कुछ है, अस्मिता. और इसलिए मार्केट के चक्कर में नहीं आना. बाजार आपको निरंतर सिखाता है सौंदर्य की पूरी राजनीति, पर आप अपने को एक इंडिविजुअल के रूप में विकसित करें, अपनी क्षमताओं को, अपनी संभावनाओं को पहचानें और अपने को प्रस्फुटित करें, तो फिर स्काई इज़ द लिमिट, यू नो. बट कीप द आईज ऑन द स्काई, बट योर फीट शुड बी ऑन द जड़ों में. पाँव जमीन पे रहने चाहिए, आसमान में निगाहें रह सकती हैं. नहीं तो ये होगा कि यू वुड बी अपरूटेड. एंड दैट इज़ वाई यू शुड, दैट इज़ द होल कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ लोकलिज्म, जिसको आप स्वदेशी भी कह सकते हैं. वी शुड नेवर बी डिटैच फ्रॉम आवर रूट्स. एंड दैट इज़ वाई आई मेंशन द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ जापान. दे नो हाउ टू कीप द कल्चर इंटैक्ट. वो अंग्रेज़ी नहीं बोलते, दे डोंट स्पीक इंग्लिश. They know English, but they won't. They would avoid to speak English. They do work in Japanese because they know that मातृभाषा का एक अपना महत्व है. तो मैं आपसे कहना चाह रही हूँ कि अपनी लोकल जड़ों को बचाए रखकर, अपनी पहचान को बचाए रखकर आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. गांधी का एक और थॉट जो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है मुझे लगता है, गांधी ने इस इंडिविजुअल को जो टोटलिटी का स्वाद का सिद्धांत दिया, गांधी ने पेट भरने के लिए भोजन करना. पहले कड़वे नीम की चटनी खाते थे, फिर खाना खाते थे. मुट्ठी भर भोजन बहुत होता है. हमने कितना फैलाव कर दिया भोजन का, कितना मुश्किल कर दिया. दिन भर महिलाएं किचन में लगी रहती हैं क्योंकि हमने उसका एक आडंबर क्रिएट कर दिया. तो अपरिग्रह का सिद्धांत, दी नॉन एक्यूमुलेशन, बिकॉज एक्यूमुलेशन इज वायलेंस. व्हेन आई एक्यूमुलेट, आई एम एक्यूमुलेटिंग योर शेयर. And that is also environmental theory. I say Gandhi is the first environmentalist. Because Gandhi says, I'm just saying Gandhi's quote, nature has enough to fulfill everybody's need, but it has very little to fulfill anybody's greed. प्रकृति सबका पेट पाल सकती है, पर एक भी व्यक्ति का लालच पूरा नहीं कर सकती. धरती माँ कह के बुलाते थे गांधी. और हम कैसा व्यवहार करते हैं धरती के साथ, कितना पानी व्यर्थ गंवाते हैं. क्योंकि जब आप ये व्यर्थ गंवाएंगे, उस सबसे भी एक जो सारा वातावरण बनेगा बहुत नेगेटिविटी का होगा. सो वाटर कंजर्वेशन, देर आर एग्जाम्पल्स. गांधी एक लोटे पानी से प्रातःकाल अपना दातुन मंजून करते थे. एक दिन उनका पानी बह गया तो बहुत अनमने हो गए. नेहरू ने पूछा क्या हुआ, बहुत अनमने हो गए, क्योंकि गांधी वॉज एन इमोशनल पर्सन. तब बापू ने कहा कि वो पानी बह गया इसलिए मैं अनमना हो गया तुम्हारी बातों में. उनका साबरमती बह रही है, आप और भर लीजिए. का साबरमती सिर्फ मेरी नहीं है, पूरे राष्ट्र की है. We have to be so vigilant, when we are addressing these natural resources. Because as I said, you are not aloof and isolated being, you belong to a totality. और जब जीवन को उस totality में जीना प्रारंभ करते हैं, तो मुझे लगता है कि वो जो stresses हैं, क्योंकि इतने stresses मेरी दादी नानी को नहीं थे. तो अगर modern civilization is giving me so many stresses, then I should stay somewhere and think what's happening, what is wrong where, Am I really advancing or am I going back? Because at the final day, what I search joy, I search happiness, I search sustainability. So Gandhi says we should be a moral person, moral being. And Gandhi believes that when we materially rise, we morally fall. अमीर व्यक्ति को देखिए, उसका morality बहुत धीरे धीरे कम होती जाती है. वो गाड़ी भी ऐसे चलाएगा, किसी पे चढ़ा देगा शायद. So we have to be morally, ethically, normatively very, very trained, for which the India is known, you know. We are forgetting this in the sake and the fake and in the pace of globalization. So Gandhi's thought of this individual, which is very, very important. Gandhi says individual is free, individual is fearless. We are not fearless. हम सबसे हमेशा डरते रहते हैं. मुझे लगता है डर सबसे बड़ा कारण है stress का, you know. So we should be fearless. Why we are afraid? We are afraid of parents, then of teachers, then of future, employment, education, competitive. The whole, this civilization is teaching us to be competitive. Don't share anything, don't give anything, don't share the information, so that you are only exclusive, which is not true. We should learn to share. We should learn to love. We should learn to be compassionate, as mothers are. And you are all future mothers, you know, I know that. So this is a feminine quality, I think. Sharing, caring, loving, nurturing, being together is, I don't think it's a feminine, it is a humane quality. Men should also learn this quality of, you know, be compassionate. So what I want to emphasize here is that we should enlighten ourselves, which Gandhi believes that man is very important, because all solution finally lies in this individual. Whatever you do, whatever sort of laws and systems you bring, but unless this human being change, nothing would change. So you have to address this man, you have to address this women. So without going into much detail, what I want to say is life is beautiful. We have to be philosophically strong and rich enough. And I'm not taking much time because I think we are already late, and I really want to value this, the value of time here. So I think the students should learn, should read Gandhi's, you know, autobiography, the book of Hind Swaraj, where he critically evaluate the whole concept of materialism, and especially these young people should be, you know, into this kindness and compassion, so that the changes can bring. So I am very optimistic. I am very, very, very hopeful that 21st century and my country is in safer hands, in the hands of these young girls and boys who are very, very vigilant. So with these words I end, and thank you so much for having me here. Thank you.